Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of Google Tag Manager, or GTM for short. Have you ever wondered if GTM is installed on your website? Or maybe you're debugging and need to confirm your installation? Well, you're in the right place. You don't need any fancy tools or extensions for this. All you need is your web browser. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to check if GTM is properly installed using just your browser. Let's get started. First up, let's explore how to check for GTM in Google Chrome. Open your Chrome browser and click on the three dots in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, hover over More Tools and select Developer Tools. Once the Developer Tools window opens, find and click on the Network tab. Here's where the magic happens. In the filter field, type gtm.js and hit Enter. Don't forget to refresh the page to ensure all network requests are checked. If GTM is installed, you'll spot its ID as a query parameter labeled ID. Now let's switch gears and navigate to Firefox. Start by clicking on the hamburger menu in the top right corner. That's the three horizontal lines. Then, go to More Tools and choose Web Developer Tools. Click on the Network tab, just like in Chrome. In the filter field, again, type gtm.js. Here's a pro tip. After setting the filter, hit the Reload button to see if GTM pops up on the list. If installed, you'll see the GTM file, making it easy to confirm it's working. Finally, let's take a look at Safari. But before we dive in, you'll need to enable the features for developers in the advanced settings. Now, you can access the developer tools by pressing Option plus Command plus I. Once in, navigate to the Network tab and type GTM.js in the filter. When you locate it in the list, click on the row and select the Headers tab to reveal the query parameters, which will include your GTM container ID. Awesome! Now that we've confirmed GTM is installed, let's verify you have access to the GTM container. Open the Google Tag Manager interface and input the alphanumeric string found after GTM in your container ID into the search field. Next, access any workspace of that GTM container and click on the Preview button. Input the URL of your website, and if everything is set up correctly, you should see the message Tag Assistant Connected appear in the floating Tag Assistant element on your website. This confirms that your GTM is up and running smoothly. And that's a wrap. Today, we've guided you through checking if Google Tag Manager is installed using Chrome, Firefox, and Safari without any extra tools. Remember, having GTM properly installed is crucial for proper tracking and data collection on your site. Now, take a moment to implement what you've learned today. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy tagging!